Alright guys, we got the STI 07 EJ25. We got the money light on. The panic light is on. So we're gonna check it out here. Right there, you can see. Scanned it and this will come up. The secondary air system. Those are just only for emission air. It will pump air to the exhaust for emission. So not a big deal. I've been daily this vehicle pretty much every day for the past months. The engine like this came on like probably a couple days ago. So let's quickly diagnose. Let's pop the hood. Alright, so we got that code right there, the P0410 and P2444 air pump. So the location of this pump is right over here. You can see that the round black one, that's the pump. And the valves on this is what opens and closes for the air to go in. There's two valves on this, on the EJ25, one underneath the intercooler and one is under air intake manifold. Some of them, for some certain years and vehicle, both of them will be under the intake manifold. So in this case, we're gonna be attacking the air pump. So I got a multimeter already. This is the plug-in to go to the air pump, power and ground. So I turn on the ignition, put two leads right here. There's no voltage. I just realized that the air pump will turn on the cold start. It's not gonna turn on when the engine is warm, and the engine's been running for a while, so it's pretty warm. Double check the fuse. 60 amp fuse is good. Air pump relay, there's a relay on this, so it won't activate the relay because the engine is warm. Only thing would work is when the engine is cold. It would be nice to start it up in the morning, but I want to get this thing done tonight. What I did is I got a jump leads here, black and red connector going to the pump. The black gonna go to the battery, negative. And then the red gonna go to positive. It's nothing here. See, you can see nothing. So I'm thinking it must seized up the pump because it's not spinning. I jumped the wire. I put power and ground on this pump. This is just an air pump. It's just a propeller pump. So there's pins and retainers on the top of this lid right here, so you can pop them out. So you can open this cover. You can see it's just a little bunch of fins, and then it will spin like that. You can hear that spinning. You can hear that sound. And yeah, that's not right with that sound like that. It should be quiet. So let's jump the leads here again. Let's touch the positive terminal, and nothing. See, nothing. Double check our connection. Make sure it's in there. Oh, there you go. It's spun. There we go. That's noisy. That's not good. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance on that fan, so I could feel my leads is getting warmer. High resistance on here, so definitely we're gonna need a brand new air pump on this with that code P0410. It's not that bad. I took out the intercooler, just double check that valve right there. That's the brand new valve. I replaced that about a year and a half ago. So we're gonna put everything back together. Let's order the pump. Noisy. Let's order the pump, and we're gonna just park this vehicle on the side. So that's how you quickly diagnose that air pump, guys. If you're having that code P0410, two jump leads, and then connect it to the battery, and let's hear that pump spin. So that's it, guys. So make sure to subscribe, like the video. Next video we'll put a brand new air pump and then test it out, and then get that code delete and then go for a ride. Thanks for watching.